PaxAus travel day. Boop. Good morning. We are not off to an auspicious beginning. I've already had to turn around and go back because I forgot my hard drive. The external hard drive, which I need because that's where all the video goes.
Central.
And there it is. I am now officially in Melbourne. We're in Southern Cross Station, one of my favourite train stations on the entire planet. It's not that spectacular, but it's just kind of cool. Next job, find my hotel, which shouldn't be too bad. It's literally just across the road. Yeah, train station behind me, hotel across the road. Doesn't get easier than that. Next task for the day, picking up the badge from Pax. Right, sorted. Got my badge. Had a bit of a look at the Steelseries booth back there. They're still setting it up, so I'm not going to show it to you. In fact, everyone's still setting up because it's Thursday. Next time you see this place, it'll be full of people, and games and adventure and music and exciting things. Right now, I think I need something to eat and an energy drink.
Have I mentioned that I love Melbourne yet? Because I love Melbourne. I think that'll about do it for today. Sun's going down. Feeling hungry again. I think I ate too soon earlier today. I might have to go out again for more food. Or I'll just have the rest of the beers. Except you're wondering what beers is he talking about, and the beers I'm talking about are in the longer version of this video, which I'll put up, I guess, after I get back from PAX, because, like they said earlier in the video with the little text thing, it's a long story. But it is time to rest up for the night. If you're coming to PAX, let me know in the down below area, although I probably won't have much time to read the comments in the down below area, but let me know down there anyway, just in case. And if you see me on the show floor, remember, if I'm shooting something, don't bother me. Hang around a few feet back. When I'm done shooting, come say hi. You interrupt my shot, I'm going to slap you upside the head. Probably won't slap you upside the head, but I will be cranky. And of course, if there is something special you want me to check out at PAX that you think is going to be there, or you know is going to be there, or you hope is going to be there, please let me know. I will do my best to do that for you. Ooh, echoey. That's how we're going to end the video. I really hope that sounded okay on that, because it sounded right in here. But then human ears, bathroom echoes, it's deceiving. I can't sing.